All right, everybody, that does it for today's video. First and foremost, I want to say thank you very much for watching today. I really appreciate the views. Make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button, and make sure to check out the rest of my channel. I do have a lot of other videos on how to do a lot of other things, so please check it out. If you think the products featured in today's video would work for your project, make sure you check them out right here, upper right-hand corner. Got my subscribe button down here on the right on the bottom. Check that out. Over here on the left, I have some video suggestions for you. Make sure you check that out as well. And as always, thank you very much for watching YouTube.